Okay guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung process dito kung magagas ka sa isang gasoline station. Kung sa atin merong mga pump boy, dito ay sariling sikap. Hindi naman sikap, self-service. Yeah, self-service. So good. Suot muna tayo ng gloves. Okay, parating na truck and trailer. So touch fuel. Remove. Tapos diesel burst. Diesel. Eight. Seven four. 874. Okay, start fueling, pump number 8. Ayan na. Oh, good. 192. Dito nga pala, hindi na kailangan yan. Hindi na kailangan i-padlock yan kasi wala naman ditong palaihi. Palaihi. Okay, all good. Everything is good.
You feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, I never wished a lonely heart.